Good.
Yeah, he did. Yo, you guys get that though, because
Ricky Young, yes sir.
now he knows he was really nice. Touchdown. Yes.
Another what?
Yo, that's us.
What a contact. What's that for, huh? Patungutong lang ako. Ano doon, ang video. Sino ng tao. Yung ato, hindi ko Initan sa restriksyon natin sa nagkakabing pag-iisip niya at tamuro ng makyo. Yung bakter niya,
Yes, that's what we want. Yes. Oh my God.
What?
That touchdown catch, a big third down catch last week. He had just more catches on the year. Howard Aldi told us for him, it's like you just never know when that big moment's going to come, right? Yeah, a great point too. You mentioned how Darnold last year in the playoffs, he really struggled with
Check down. Comes over the touchdown. Hold it.
Boom.
Zach. Yo, holding. Big time. Oh my God.
Why is she doing that? Getting fired.
First down.
Very good.
Let's go! No! Fourth and four. Oh!
Yes. What happened?
Let the talking
copy, right? Boom.
Go! Go!
Boom.
Go!
Oh yeah.
Don't give me one more.
I need yours.
Is it done? Is it done? Oh yeah.
Yes.
Pajamas? Okay, go vlog yourself.
It's on.
It's on? How do I... What's up, guys? I hope you guys... Wait, this video just started. I'm tripping. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out the merch.
So guys, welcome back to another video. As you guys may or may not know, or heard the news, Seattle Seahawks are heading to the Super Bowl.
We're going to the Super Bowl!
So, what'd you call it? We haven't been in the NFC Championship or the Super Bowl in like 10 years. Last time we were in the Super Bowl, I was 8 years old, now I'm 18. Yesterday was a crazy moment for me and my brothers, all the Seahawks fans. And, yeah, so right now I'm on the grill, like always, making burgers so we can celebrate with family. Yeah, man, this is it's kind of like a full circle moment for me, Marlson, and Elwin, and all our other cousins. Shout out to Uncle Seal, you know, just everyone. Shout out to Mark and Kainoa. It's kind of like a full circle moment. Back in 2014, last time we were here, we're at the biggest fans I knew, Uncle Swing and Uncle Casey. I know they're looking down happy, celebrating up there. But, yeah, we're going back to the Super Bowl, playing the Patriots, like Super Bowl 49. But this time we're gonna win. Go Hawks. But yeah, we're gonna finish the burgers, check back in a little bit. Remember, keep God first. Check out the merch. I've been told by my dad that we got a new logo, so make sure you check that out. Check out the music, of course. Check out the pranks, challenges, especially the pizza challenge if you haven't. See you guys in a little bit. Put it over. Alright, we just finished the first batch. Or, nah, this one will go first. Just a little bit. These are good. Oh! It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Yeah, but I forgot to put on the cheese. Ross, can you put the cheese on these? Oh yeah, it's Monday. We were off today because teachers are grading their exams or whatever. We go back tomorrow. I just can't wait for these 5 months to just go through. But yeah, hopefully everyone's doing good out there. Today is just kind of a chill day. Chill day, we're just gonna eat, have fun with family, talk, stories. Stay tuned for 2 weeks, man. We're gonna record. We're gonna record the Super Bowl. Hopefully in a week, hopefully a week after that, we see the twins. Shout out to Auntie Sandy and them. We miss you guys. Honestly, wish you guys were here last night with us. If you guys see my mom's Facebook story, that was not me and him. Yesterday was a great. I was so happy, right, Dubs?
Very much. Forever still speechless.
I don't even know what to say. But as Seahawks fans, we're so used to having heart attack games and being eliminated first round or second round. Just this past year, we got a new quarterback, new coach, and just like that, we're heading back to the Super Bowl. So, yeah, shout out to the Seahawks. Shout out to all my family members that our Seahawks fans and just watched the game last night. Yeah, see you later. Say hi to the video.
Hi,
Say like and subscribe.
like and subscribe.
Oh yeah, we're about to eat. There's waiting for people to get here.
Wait, is it a real video?
Mm-hmm.
No, it's a fake one.
Yeah, we're gonna wait for people to get here. Then we're gonna eat.
I didn't know we see one far now. Okay.